How many people came to my show here last year? I fucking love Portugal. I fucking love this country. Alright. Can you understand my English okay? This is what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna take one crazy photo. Who wants to be in my photo? Yeah, everyone put your hands up. Put your girlfriends up. You got a girl next to you, put her up on your shoulders. I want to see more girls. All the beautiful Portuguese girls, put them up. Yeah, all you girls. Everyone, keep your hands up right now. This is my photographer right up here. He's gonna take our picture. Put your hands up! On the count of 3! 1, 2, 3! Everyone say, fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah!
For the first